All right, so let's talk about Claude Code. We're going to cover not just what it is, but why it's such a huge shift for developers. And most importantly, we're going to get you from knowing nothing to actually building with it right now.
Okay, let's just start with a feeling every single one of us knows. You're deep in your editor, you're in the flow, but then you hit a wall. So you tab over to the browser, you ask your question, and then you start that clumsy dance of copy-paste, fix the formatting, and just hope it works. That context switch, it completely shatters your momentum. Well, Claude Code is built to make that whole process a thing of the past.
So let's really get into this, because this is the main idea. You got to stop thinking of this as just a really smart autocomplete. This is a fundamental move away from a passive AI assistant that you ask for help to an active AI partner that is right there working with you, inside your project.
And honestly, this analogy just nails it. Imagine a new developer joins your team. But instead of you spending all morning explaining the code base, they've already read it. Every single file, they've traced every connection, and they get the whole architecture before you've even finished your first coffee. That's what it feels like to start with that level of context.
So, what's the tech that makes all this possible? Well, the key thing to understand is the Claude Code is an agent. Now, that word gets thrown around a lot these days, but in this case, it means something really specific and really, really powerful.
You see, the magic word here is action. An agent has tools. It doesn't just spit out a block of text and say, good luck. It can actually perform tasks. It can read a file from your disk. It can run a terminal command. It can apply a code change directly. It's designed to do things, not just suggest them. And this, right here, boils it all down. The Claude you use in a web browser, it's an incredible conversationalist that suggests what you should do. But Claude Code, it's a developer with a tool belt that takes action for you right inside your project. And these are its tools. It has direct access to read and write your files. It can interface with Git to make commits or open pull requests. It can run your test suite right there in the terminal, and it can even go search the web for documentation, all while keeping a complete map of your project in its memory.
Now, you'd probably think that something this powerful would be a huge pain to set up, right? But Anthropic has made it so simple. Seriously, we're talking about going from absolutely nothing to being fully ready to code in about a minute.
The checklist is super short. First, you need a paid Claude account. This feature isn't on the free plan. Second, you need a terminal. And third, if you're on Windows, just make sure you've got Git for Windows installed. That is it. Let's do it. If you're on a Mac or on Linux, it is literally this easy. Just open your terminal, paste in this one line of code, hit enter, and you are done. The installer takes care of everything, even auto-updates, so you're always using the latest version without even thinking about it. And for all you Windows users, don't worry, you get the same one-line magic. Just pop open PowerShell, paste this command, and that's it. The setup is complete. It's made to be that quick.
Okay, with the install finished, there are just two last things to do. First, super important, navigate your terminal into your project folder and just type Claude. It's going to pop open your browser for a one-time login. You just authorize it with your Claude account, and that's it. You're in. You are officially ready to go.
All right, you are all set up. So now, let's get to that moment, that aha moment, where this whole idea of an agent stops being this abstract concept and becomes something you can actually feel. This is where you'll notice the difference in your workflow.
This is the perfect first prompt. I mean it, especially if you're jumping into a project you've never seen before. Just ask this one simple question. What happens next is not just a text reply. It's a real demonstration of what code-based intelligence looks like.
And here is the really critical part to understand. Claude isn't just looking for a README file to summarize. No, it's actively investigating your project. It's digging into your dependencies, it's tracing the source code, it's figuring out the architecture to build a totally accurate summary from the ground up. And this is the engine that's running under the hood, the agentic loop. Just think of it like this endless cycle. First, it gathers context, using its tools to look around. Then, it takes an action based on what it found. And finally, this is the key, it verifies its own results. So when you ask it to fix a bug, this loop might run dozens of times. It writes some code, runs a test, sees it fail, and tries again. All in just a few seconds.
So now you get how Claude thinks, right? So let's talk about what you can actually build. This is where we move from just asking questions to actually giving commands and turning your ideas directly into code.
Okay, quick pro tip on picking the right tool for the right job. As of early 2026, you want to think of Sonnet 4.6 as your everyday workhorse. For coding,
Building features, fixing bugs. It's got that perfect mix of speed and intelligence. But for those really big, complex jobs, like a huge refactoring project, switching over to Opus 4.6 will give you that extra horsepower for deep reasoning.
Here are a few really powerful prompts to try next, to move beyond those simple questions. You can delegate whole tasks, like telling it to add unit tests for a specific service or refactor a messy function to make it easier to read. You can literally just paste in a raw error message and say, "Find and fix this." And then, when you're all done, you can just ask it to create the pull request. It can manage the entire workflow from beginning to end.
So there you have it. You've got the concepts, you've got the tools, and you have a clear path forward. You now have a genuine partner in your terminal ready to build right there with you. So the only question left is, what are you going to build first?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Naveen Tech Hub for practical AI.